This 2015 Forest River Salem Cruiser LITE T205RD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Forest River is 21 feet 8 inches in length and features a white tan interior, sleeps 4, CO detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, awning, LP detector, water heater, microwave, stovetop burner, skylight, smoke detector, and 28 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Forest River Salem Cruiser LITE T205RD is 3,229 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.